How to create a free landing page for Facebook ads. In this video, we're going to be talking about System.io and what this application will do for you. So basically, if you want to go ahead and run Facebook ads and create a good landing page that will gain you a lot of leads and sales, then this video is for you because I'm going to be showing you how you can use this incredible platform called System.io to give you one of the best looking landing pages out there with great SEO and actual lead generation. So to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to System.io. And once we're in System.io, the best part about this platform is that it's totally free forever and there's no credit card required to sign up. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to enter our email address in this section. Now, in this case, I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself, but you don't necessarily have to do this. You can simply go ahead and use any email you have. Now, once this is done, System.io will basically send us an email on our inbox. So what you're going to do is you're going to stay in your inbox, and here you can see I just received the email. So you're going to confirm the email. You're going to click on this confirmation link, and from here, as you can see, you are redirected to System.io's base form. Now over here, you're simply going to add a password for yourself. And once you add a password for yourself, what this will help you do is basically create a strong foundation for your account. Now, once you've done all of that, you're going to click on save. And once you click on save, this is going to take you to your dashboard. Now, as we're going into our dashboard from here, there's a lot of work in that you're going to want to do. Now, when it comes to Facebook ads, first of all, you're going to want to do some research on your Facebook marketplace. You're going to see what actual products are in niche right now. So we're going to go over to the Facebook marketplace. We're going to open it up. And over here, we're going to actually scour the actual trending products. We're going to see what is actually, popping off right now. So I'm going to go over here. And as you can see, this is the stuff that appears on the Facebook marketplace. So we have a lot of cars. We go down, we can see more stuff like boats, boat carriers. We have scooters, we have furnitures, property for rents, and a whole lot more. So we can see that these products are obviously booming right now. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and make a landing page for a car that I want to run a Facebook ad for. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to dashboard. And once we're in dashboard, what you're going to want to do over here is you're going to go into the funnels section. So once we're in funnels, what we're going to do over here is we're going to click on create. Once you click on create, basically to start this funnel off, we're going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it FB ads, meaning Facebook ads. Then, what is your funnel's goal? Build an audience, sell a product, custom, or run an evergreen webinar. So, in my opinion, if you're doing Facebook ads, obviously we're going to go with sell a product or service. And once we do this, we're going to click on save. Now, as you can see, that creates a funnel. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this funnel. And once you click onto this funnel, it's going to bring you here. Now, there's 3 basic pages in a funnel. So there's the order form, which is your basic landing page. Then there's a thank you page for that landing page. And then you can add more pages, which could be the inactivity or error pages. So if you want someone to buy your product, what we're going to do is, let's say, come here. I'm going to choose this template. For example, you have tons and tons of templates, by the way, but I'm going to choose this one. This one looks pretty good. So once we're over here, we have the order form opened up. So first of all, you're going to choose the URL path. You can give it any code. In my case, it's this. So I'm going to stick with that. It looks pretty cool. Then we have affiliate commissions. You can add actual affiliate commissions for yourself and get affiliate profits. Same goes with your sales limit. Now choose the offer type. I'm going to go with a physical product because obviously it's a product. If it's a car, it's physical. Resources, which the customer will have access to after the purchase. I'm going to go with car. Then we have coupons. If you have any coupon to offer, you can add that over here. But if you don't, simply come over here. Now, once we've created this step, we're going to click on Edit Page. So this will take us to the actual page editor in the funnel. So once the page editor is open for over here, as you can see, what we're going to do is we're actually going to add our car image on the left-hand side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the stock image that they give me over here. And once we delete this stock image, what we're going to want to do is we're going to add our very own image. So I'm going to delete this item. Now, to add your very own image, you're going to come on the left-hand side And once you're over here, you're going to go in the media section and you're going to go into images. And we're going to add the image right over here. So you're going to want to make sure that the size of the image goes well with what you're looking for. So I'm going to go to its settings. We're going to go to image size. I'm going to decrease it. Okay. Now once the image size is decreased, you can drag it easily into this section. Now here we have it. Now over here, what you can do is you can actually increase the size. So there we go. Now we've actually increased the image's size. Now what you're going to do is you're actually going to upload the image. So you can upload the image from your desktop. So let's say we have this. We have this car image. I'm going to upload it right here. And we're going to click on insert. And there we go. So there's our image. You know, this is going to be our peak marketing image. Then here is the form that we can have people pay on. Here's payment information, price details, etc., validation. And you can also change the different images down here, change the footers, change the "Hey, I'm Jane." You can change it to whatever you want. And once you've made the funnel page look like what you want, you're simply going to click on save. By the way, there's tons and tons of elements here that you can edit with. So do not shy off when it comes to, you know, actual editing of your page, because you can actually edit this to great extents. Once you've done this, you're clicking on save changes. So once we click on save changes, we're simply going to escape from this section and click on exit. Now, once we click on exit, we have a proper order form page. And you can actually view the funnel steps. So if we click on view funnel step, it's going to actually open the page, and look at that. This is how it's going to look. Pretty incredible, pretty nice. So once we are sure that our funnel form looks good, then we're going to go to the thank you page. So now you're going to choose any thank you. So let's say I'm going to go ahead with this one. Thanks for purchasing, because it works well with my form. And once we do this, we're pretty much set to go. And then there's finally the inactive page. So inactive page is basically if the, you know, if there's any error in the servers, or if there's any error through System IO servers. So once we have all of this done, basically that ends your funnel journey. So now you actually have a proper funnel. We're gonna go ahead, click on view funnel. Now once you click on view funnel, this is gonna go through your whole funnel. Okay, you're gonna add in all of your details, you're gonna add in an email, then you're gonna choose your country. Once you do that, you're gonna add in the payment information, and then finally choose validate. So we have a fully stocked funnel now. So what we can do from here is we're gonna go into the funnel section over here. Our funnel is up and ready to go. So what you can do is you can actually share this funnel. So you're going to copy this link to your clipboard. And from now, you can actually go to your Facebook Marketplace or your Facebook main timeline ad place and post this link as a landing page for your Facebook ads. And whenever someone sees an ad on Facebook, they're going to click on your link and they're going to come straight to the funnel where they can make their purchase. So this is going to be your landing page funnel. And whenever someone, you know, accesses a purchase or anything, what you can simply do is you're going to click over here and you're going to get all of the statistics of this page. So you're going to see the total amount of sales, average cart value, conversion rate, and a whole lot more. You're also going to see how many leads you made, how many sales you made, and a lot more. Now you can also add automation rules for yourself if you want to. Automation basically just makes your workflow much more fast, seamless, and easier. And it's a much better thing to do other than, you know, going through the backgrounds of your work ethic and changing things one by one. You know, this works much better in my opinion. So once we've gone through all of this, you're pretty much set to go when it comes to creating landing pages for Facebook ads. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.